Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable dark mode on the Google Chrome web browser. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So there is a more complicated way that you could do it. I'm actually going through the Chrome application, but I'm just going to use a theme that we're going to get through the Chrome web store. So first thing you want to do is just open up the Chrome web browser if it's not already open. So go ahead and just open it up. And you want to just go to the web store, so you can search for it on Google. There's different ways to open up the web store here, but we're just going to search for it. Chrome Web Store, go ahead and click on that to open it up. Want to select the Themes button underneath Extensions, so go ahead and just left click on that. And then the first one that should come up should just say Just Black, so go ahead and just left click on that. And then select Add to Chrome. And you can see it's offered by the Chrome team, and you can see how many users are using it too, so it's a pretty big user base. And if you need to undo, you could just select the undo button. Again, pretty straightforward. And that's pretty much it, guys. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.